Hi guys, how are you? Before entering into this video, make sure you already liked the video, commented it and shared to your friends. And one important thing, make sure you're subscribed. Let's enter into this video. So guys, today we're going to learn about variables. So what is a variable? While learning about a variable, just think of a box. The box can be named anything and it can contain any object we want. For example, let's take the box name is X and the object it contains can be a number, a string or a float. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to assign a variable in a code. While you are assigning a value to a variable, first you should name the variable. For instance, let me name the variable as X. To assign a value for it, we will always use equal to symbol followed by the value. It can be a string, a number, a float, or any data type you want. For instance, let me give a string. Now I'm using double quotation. You can use either double quotation or single quotation. Let's say okay guys, let's output it. Wait, what? We forgot the important thing. See, you can only assign a variable using this code. To output it, as we said in our previous video, you should use the print function. If you watched the previous video, I hope you know it. We should use a print followed by a parenthesis. So, we should enter the name of the variable to output the value in it. So, now I'm entering X. Let's run it. Yes guys, the program has been outputted. So what about a number? Let's say 7. See? What about a float? Or simply a decimal number? Okay guys, what about multiple variables? You can do it on the next line. As you can see guys, for just outputting two variable values, it requires 4 lines. Is it really needed? No. You can assign value to two variables or more than that like this. Same like that, you can print both at the same time using one line. In both we have used comma. So let's print it. Yes guys, as you can see, oh sorry, I just did a mistake. Yes guys, as you can see, the following program has been printed. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you have a clear idea about variables. Make sure before you are leaving this video, you liked it, commented it, shared to your friends and make sure you subscribed it. Bye.